Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Sevestokleous, trading specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance on last week's idea. Last week, the idea was for a buy on Ethereum with a potential target around the 3,900 area. The idea was completely accurate, with the price trading even more than 4,000. Now for this week, we are looking at crude oil for a potential buy trade with a target around the 78 price area after a retest of the 76 level. The price has been making lower lows and lower highs in the last week, so if we take into account that the trend is our friend, we might see this pattern continue in the near short term. The 20-day moving average is acting as a resistance, pushing the price to the downside, while the target of 76 is a major technical support area, which consists of the 50-day moving average, the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, as well as an area of price reaction since mid-February. The narrative behind this idea is based on the Commitment of Traders report, which shows a slowdown of commercial traders, hinting at a possible pullback to the upside in the near short term. Investors anticipate key data inputs and market reports from OPEC, International Energy Agency, and the US later this week, while the market is experiencing reduced volatility as investors weigh competing bullish and bearish factors with a focus on the upcoming US inflation rate. A higher than expected inflation rate will boost the dollar, affecting negatively the instruments traded against it, while a lower reading might support gold, oil, and other asset classes. In terms of economic data for this week that investors need to pay attention are the US CPI, the British GDP, and the US Producers Price Index. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a buy on crude oil with a potential target around the 78 price area after a possible retest of the 76 level. The main narratives are the Commitment of Traders report data and also the change of the probabilities of a possible rate cut by the Fed. The economic data that investors need to pay attention to are the US inflation data, the British GDP, and the American Producers Price Index. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade, it is not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.